Hello, this is Priscilla Batzell. I'm in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Fluid Art Studio. Last chance to dance before the hurricane this evening, late this evening. Anyway, so that is a recycling, it's a canvas I'm going to recycle. It's okay, you know, but I can afford to lose it. I've got a lot of paintings and I'm going to use some Sherwin Williams, knock my paint chips off. Sherwin Williams white satin. I like to put a little bit of paint around the outside edge. I don't even know if that's enough. It probably will be by the time I keep hitting my marble. This is meant to keep my head out of the way. I made up some white cell activators, some new white cell activators, so we'll see how that goes. I'm pretty much gun shy about white cell activator. Don't ask me why, it's just a thing about me. I have some black raspberry Prizm pour. I'm a Colourarte affiliate and there's a Colourarte coupon code below show more in the description. So black raspberry, frosted. This is going to be majorly very much purple. Chantilly lace. African violet, which is fabulous. Awesome color. I am going to combine that with, I'm going to do it. Some poinsettia. Some frosted berry. Both of those are Prizm pour. Maybe I won't be using the frosted berry if I can't get the clog out of the top. No, I got my tweezers. I recommend these tweezers. They're sharp without a bend. Oh, I just poked that down into the neck of the bottle. Sorry, temporary emergency. I don't want that clog of paint going down into the bottle. And it was a good size one too. That would have come back on me. So I said frosted berry and Prizm pour, hopefully. I'm going to go for some jasmine, primary element. Some saffron. Another Prizm pour. I'm going to use some Isadora primary element. I've put the diffuser on my new blow dryer toy. No, don't pick it out again. I'm going to use some Indian spice. Looks like my turntable's a little crooked. Could be, I've got paint built up on the arms. Indian spice. Probably don't need any indigo violet, but I love it, so I'm going to use it. Something is telling me to go back and put some more jasmine in there, but I'm wondering if maybe there's something different. How about pink carnation? Although it's looking fairly gunged up. Let's see if I can get anything out. Yeah, I got a little bit. And then I'm going to take these colors away because I can. Across the room. Here's my little blow dryer. Here's my attachment that I screwed on. I used it without it yesterday. I think it's important I use the cell activator, huh? Let's just go for that. I have no idea what this is going to be like. Cross your fingers. off you go. So I'm going to try and give that a second. I think I want to give it a little bit of a spin and see what's going to happen. I know that those cells are just going to keep developing. So rather than tipping, although I do feel like tipping a little toward the paint that I added, just to fill in. Part of me wants to add black to the center right now and blow it out. I think I'm going to like this. I'm doing it. I'm just going to use a straw. Come out. Helps if you open the top enough. That was a lot more than I anticipated, actually. Oh, I'm not sorry I did that. Well, in one case I am. That big white dot probably doesn't belong there. But we're going to go for it anyway. Ready? Now I could have wrecked it, and I still could wreck it, I guess. But I kind of want to just spin and see. I didn't get nearly enough of my yellow, and I am going to wreck it because I see the black center. That's going to be cool, though. Alright, where's my wrecking tool? Part of me wants to tip it again, but I don't think I need to. I'm probably not raking it enough. Sometime I'm going to use a fork. Alright, I don't want to lose a lot of the colors that I've got, but I really want to spin that out. Alright, that's kind of cool. Makes me want to put yellow in the middle, just the same. And a few more spirals, I guess. Because I love spirals. They don't just save the day, they're just cool. Plain and simple. I wonder if I can tip that up a little bit. I'm loving the cells. The colors are great together too. Looks like I've got a slightly flaccid canvas I didn't realize. So I might put something up in the center. I could still shimmer it at you right after I wipe the paint off my hands. I like it every bit as much, if not more, than the other one. So that works. And I thought I brought my phone, but I didn't. Oh well, I'll cut that out. I'll be back in a second. And now I will try and get up on my ladder and shimmer this at you. And I'm not unhappy with the white. I really like the center. Wow. I'm really happy with those colors actually. Maybe I'll get used to it. I'd like to kind of do a half black, half white one. I wonder how that would work. Alright, I love you guys. Please give me a thumbs up when you watch my videos all the way to the end. You help my standing on YouTube, and your comments keep my morale boosted and help my standing on YouTube. Your donations help keep me painting and bringing tutorials to everyone, so I really appreciate that. Same for the membership. You guys help bring tutorials to everyone. This is getting really awesome. Loving those colors. And I'll be watching my own video back. The link tree is under the video in the description. My email address is easpb and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com. But on the link tray you'll find 2 of my websites and Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook group, Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Appreciation Group, where students are welcome to post their work happily. I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, and I do sell my artwork. Also, spring clothing under the video is the same as available merchandise there, all over prints, etc. If you ask me, I can add something. This might go on something. And Society 6 Legalist, Fine Art America, Pixels.com, all on the link tree. Check that link tree out. My community board will show you tomorrow's video. Questions are welcome and encouraged. I love you guys. You inspire me always. My Amazon link is on the link tree, and it has my 2 books on it, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, the first and the second 100 videos I made for YouTube about paint pouring. If I have forgotten something, you'll see it in another video. I hope you come again. My paint pouring recipe is underneath Show More, hopefully, and if it's not, just ask me. I've got it saved so I can copy and paste it to you, no problem. Whatever I've forgotten is usually that I have 31 playlists at the moment, and they each have 100 videos on them. Also, all my videos are sorted by topic and genre, so if you like something and you say you'd like to see more of it, just mention it to me and I'll give you the playlist if I've got it handy, and I always do. So no worries about that. You guys take care of each other, take care of yourselves. Bye for now. Check that out. Priscilla out. I'll see you anon.